Samsung is getting ready to launch its Galaxy S24 series in January, and we're starting to hear some juicy details about how fast these new phones will be. Sam Mobile spotted some Geekbench results for the Korean versions of the Galaxy S24 and the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and they show some impressive numbers for both phones. The Ultra model seems to be on par with Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max in terms of power. According to the listing, Samsung's next big thing, which will probably use Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, gets a single-core score of 2051 and a multi-core score of 6204. That's pretty close to what we got from the iPhone 15 Pro Max. What does that mean for you? Well, it means that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be even faster than its already speedy predecessor, which makes sense since it has a better chip inside. It also means that Apple's latest flagship will still have a slight edge in terms of power, but you probably won't notice much difference in real life. The regular Galaxy S24 also looks good. We've heard that Samsung might not use the same chip for all its Galaxy S24 phones. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will probably have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, which is super fast and powerful. But some of the regular Galaxy S24 phones, especially in Europe, might get the Samsung Exynos 2400 chip instead. That's kind of a bummer because the Exynos chips are usually not as good as the Qualcomm ones, so if you live in Europe, you might end up with a Galaxy S24 that's not as awesome as the one in other places. But hey, there are still some cool things about the Galaxy S24 that we're excited about. For example, it might look sleeker and sharper than the Galaxy S23, with flatter sides and thinner bezels. And it might have a bigger screen too, 6.17 inches instead of 6.1 inches. The cameras on the back might not change much though. We think they'll be the same as on the Galaxy S23, a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x zoom. And what about the colors? Well, we've heard that the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Ultra will come in 4 colors: black, gray, violet, and yellow. But maybe Samsung will surprise us with some more options on their website. We'll have to wait and see. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.